because people will give away pianos, 2 dining room tables, 1 with a full set of chairs, logs, willow acacia or eucalyptus or mesquite, dressers and things like that. My wife probably thinks I'm going to need help. So I think if something beautiful comes out of the garage, and then they'll be like, okay, he's not totally nuts. I build guitars and furniture and things out of wood. But I have this day job. I'm a seismologist 24/7, actually. Seismology is the science of vibrations, so that could be earthquakes, meteorites. Anything that makes a vibration makes waves. And there's a total connection between plucking a string that's attached to a slab of wood and the vibrations it makes. I've been a musician for 47 years. Sometime in the 90s, I was playing a 4-string fretted bass, which is like, maybe a song and you have boom, boom, boom. That's a 4-string. People started adding a 5th lower string. On the 5-string, boom, boom, I could go boom, boom, doo, 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 doo. So I thought, maybe I should make one. I have to start with the neck of the guitar, because the necks of my guitars go through the body. There's these little spaces that I've routed out, so air is underneath the fingerboard, and those channels dump out into the body of the instrument. Each channel has its own natural frequency, and these pitches could be the pitches of the open strings, so the instrument just has more of a resonant character to it. What does a scientist look like? Does an artist look like something? Yeah, I consider myself a creative person. I wouldn't like 20 years ago because I was afraid to. But now I call myself an artist, but I also call myself a scientist. And I actually think everybody is an artist and everybody is a scientist. Every human being is artistic, creative, and curious. And they have the capacity to be organized with that. That's the scientist. So to me, that's like a grand challenge of communicating curiosity. And that's why I like teaching.